Alright folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2020 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive, original charcoal gray metallic from factory. Factory code, proper code will be Granite Metallic. I hope I'm saying that right. The paint is original. Vehicle does have very minimal amount of scratches, and it only does have one door ding. I will point that out to you as I make my way around the vehicle. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in perfect condition, ready to go to her new home. Folks, once again, I set you up for success on another great looking running vehicle, folks. This was a former state trooper highway patrol take home vehicle. So this vehicle was assigned to one officer, and they did an amazing job taking care of it. Let me stop right here. The vehicle does have window tint that is going to be a medium shade all around, not too dark, not too light, perfect color combination. This vehicle does look mean driving down the road, folks, let me tell you. Once again, everything has been done. There's nothing for you to do but just to take her to your local DMV and get her registered and transferred to your name, folks. Vehicle does have two holes, one in the trunk lid and one in the roof. These are the actual antennas, so if you need to take your car to an express car wash, rest assured that those antennas are going to stay put. When I first got the vehicle in, there were just empty holes on there, so I went ahead and put those antennas back on there. All right, they're just there for look. They are non-op, folks. The vehicle does have one door ding, as stated on the trunk lid. It's right there. I went ahead and left that alone. It doesn't bother me at all, but it's there. And it does have one hole here in the rear bumper. This is the first time I see this, but the license plate frame will go ahead and cover that. Okay, so you won't know it's there, and it's got one little nip right here. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I do apologize. One little nip right there. Once again, that's how the car came to me. Oh, let me go back here. Before I forget, I gotta tell you that the vehicle does, oh, there goes the sun rays. I apologize, the sun rays is on me. I gotta tell you that all four steel wheels were reconditioned, repainted, and brought back to new condition, folks. There they are, nice black and glossy. Also, the vehicle does have a new set of takeoff tires. Those are gonna be the 245s, 55s, 18s. The tires that came with the vehicle, they were not acceptable, so I went ahead and threw those out and got you a new set of takeoffs. The vehicle does have one working spotlight with an LED bulb in it. Vehicle does have a nice set of clear OEM lights and lessons in the front with new Savania Silver Star HSC light bulbs, so they are a little bit brighter when you are driving in dark roads. I do have a minor chipping on the front bumper cover, road hazard. Once again, this was a highway patrol unit. You guys can see it right there. Okay, let me clean this up here. Gotta get my finger out of the way. There you go. Smooth shipping in the bottom mainly, nothing on the top, so you guys can see. All right. She looks great, she drives great, very quiet, very smooth, very fast. Something about this vehicle here, you step on the gas pedal, she doesn't think, she doesn't hesitate, she just gets up and go. Let's continue here because the clock is ticking. I do have some ground to cover. That's the another antenna. Once again, that solid is not going anywhere, folks. That's a factory radio antenna. You don't touch it, just leave it alone. Let's go inside. One little scratch right here. Okay, that's from the duty belt. Let me show you what we have inside. Folks, I do have a matching mint interior on this vehicle. All seat belts and buckets are in place. Rear seat appears to be in new condition, folks. Vehicle does have nice carpeted floors with all four matching OEM floor mats in place. Rear door locks. They do work. This is what the car came with. So if you do have passenger seat in the rear seat, they'll be able to exit out on their own. All 4 door panels are in mint conditions on this vehicle. No rips, no tears, no bubbling, no nothing. Driver's side seat is still in good shape. As you guys can see, the vehicle does have a let me clean this up here again. The vehicle does have a new use OEM center console that I put in place. Cigarette lighter tray, which is the one in the front, it's new. The vehicle also needed a wiring harness to power up the console, and I went ahead and also bought that on eBay. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Honk does work. Once again, nice carpet interior in this one. Before I forget, folks, vehicle does have 2 factory fobs with new batteries. 2 factory fobs with new batteries. They do work. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have 134,000 miles. It actually just turned to 134,000 miles. Look at that. Perfect. Everything does work in the vehicle. All right. You can control everything through the screen right here. You can control everything to the panel right here, or you can even do it from your steering wheel if need be. Let's go to the radio. There you go. Radio does work. I didn't mention this on the video in the back, but the vehicle does have rear working backup sensors and camera. Also does have working proximity sensors. Okay, so they do work. Vehicle also does have blind spot sensors. They do work on the rear view mirrors with defrosted front rear view mirrors. I hope that makes sense, folks. LED does work. Red LED, white LED, super cold air conditioner. Once again, folks, this vehicle is loaded. I mean, it's got a lot of little gadgets that some of my other Chargers do not have. So yeah, I'm liking it. I'm loving it. What you see is what you're gonna get.
So much pain because my husband is not being healed on earth. But God, I feel.
Stereo does work. Little nice sound system, folks. Manual in the glove box. Dodge red, a little baggy, super nice. All right. Am I forgetting anything? I hope not, folks. If I do forget something, please do not. Don't worry. I'm gonna make sure I mention that in the video. Sensors are gonna be right here for the blind spot. Defrost mirrors. There goes my fan. Fan does work. Electric fan, radiator fan. This is the trunk, folks. Nice and clean. The vehicle also does have a brand new battery. That was a 49 group size, so it's the bigger one. Vehicle does have a full size matching spare tire and wheel. There you go. What you see is what you are gonna get. Super strong fan. Of course, it's dual fan on this one. It is a police package Pursuit Dodge Charger, so she's fully loaded. Very strong again, folks. This is the engine bay. Let's continue. The vehicle does have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. Full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter was done. Vehicle does have 16 Iridium Champion spark plugs, OEM. New cabin filter. Dry bill looks good, so I didn't go ahead and I didn't do anything to that. Fluids have been topped off. Washer fluid. Everything does work in this vehicle. No funny noises, no funny clicks. Let me be quiet here for a quick second so you can listen in. So there you have it. What you're hearing are the fuel injectors firing. So brakes on this one, they were about 70% all around. However, I think I'm gonna end up replacing the front brakes and rotors because they are making noise. And I got a huge pet peeve about hearing brake noise. I don't like it. Transmission was also serviced, and I went with ATF Plus 4 fluid and filter kit by Mopar. Do not use aftermarket products in that transmission, folks. I highly recommend you use OEM. Pay the money for it. Here we go, folks. One last look at this beautiful 2020 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive, former Highway Patrol State Trooper take-home vehicle. All done up and ready to go, folks. If you are interested in buying this vehicle, do not hesitate to give me a call. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. Please, serious inquiries only. I'm not here to waste your time, so please do the same for me. And I do mean that very respectfully, in any sense of the way, in every sense of the way. Here she is, folks. Any questions, folks? If you're interested in buying this vehicle, please, again, do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's see if we can reach an agreement. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great weekend ahead of you. God bless and take care.